Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Charita Jones, checking in. How you doing today? I'm excited, guys, to talk to you today about these 10 brand releases that I have. They're fall and winter 2021 bars, guys, that I have. So I have a Scentsy box, and I'm so excited, guys. I'm gonna share with you what I got in there. There's paper. Gonna get rid of that. As you know, you get the Scentsy receipt, and guys, it comes in the actual this is what keeps it from melting. So I'm gonna open it up because it's been really hot, almost 100 degrees here. So hold on, I'm gonna get this all opened up. So I am excited. Oh, look at all the goodness that's in here. Oh my goodness. So we have all of these, and I'm gonna smell all of these for the first time. So bear with me for one moment. So I'm excited about the bars that I have. So get me, and then it comes with an ice pack that keeps everything cool. I'm gonna toss that to the side, and I'm gonna set this up. So I'm excited, guys, to tell you what I have here. So the first one I'm gonna smell, oh my goodness, is Blue Sage and Tonka. Blue Sage and Tonka. That's revel in the richness of midnight sage and black lavender over the sultry sweetness of tonka bean. Yes, so that is Blue Sage and Tonka. Okay, the next thing, it says some avalanche of wonderful bars here. The next thing I'm going to smell is cinnamon cream, guys. Cinnamon buttercream. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I love that. Can't wait to pop this open now. So cinnamon buttercream. So Italian buttercream and creamy mascarpone scooped over cinnamon cake, combined sugar, spice, and everything nice. Yes, that does smell really good. So I like that. So that's cinnamon buttercream. So the next thing that I'm going to smell is cashmere corduroy. Cashmere corduroy. All right, cashmere corduroy. So I have it, guys. Love it so much. Wrap yourself in the coziness of creamy vanilla, Sicilian bergamot, and cashmere sandalwood. Smells so good, guys. So that is cashmere and corduroy. So delicious, guys. So delicious. These scents are amazing. The next one I'm going to smell is tinselberry. Tinselberry. So tinselberry is here. That is good. That is so good. Tinselberry is strawberry and cranberry dipped in cinnamon and sweet sugar for a little extra sparkle. So that's what that is, tinselberry. Yes, this is my first time smelling these, guys, so it's so good, so good, so good. Okay, the next one is Spiced Ember Glow. Spiced Ember Glow. So a smoked apple and toasted vanilla over cinnamon embers offer a warm and inviting escape. So this is so good. It smells so good. I can't wait to put these all in my warmers, guys, because I'm so excited. I love it. Okay, the next one is pomegranate Prosecco. Pomegranate Prosecco. Oh, that smells just like Prosecco. That's good, Scentsy. Great job. Great job. That is so good. So pomegranate Prosecco. It's delectable roseberry and pomegranate added effervescent splash to a flute of pink Prosecco. Really, it smells just like Prosecco, just like it. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Oh my goodness. Graham Cracker Crunch. Graham Cracker Crunch. Yummy, y'all. Yummy. Graham Cracker Crunch. So caramelized graham cracker layered with crunchy peanut butter and creamy vanilla bean. Yeah, so good. Graham Cracker Crunch. So good. So good. Love it. Oh my God. I mean, you see why I'm my biggest customer and why I love Scentsy so much. So good. So good. Okay, Harvest Blessings. Harvest Blessings. So good. Radiant apple, spiced pumpkin, and smooth oak embody everything you love about autumn. Harvest Blessings. Harvest blessings to you all. Yes, love it. Eucalyptus wreath. Eucalyptus wreath. So good. Fresh and clean. Eucalyptus is woven with juniper and adorned with frosted mint. Yes, you can smell all of that in there. You can smell all of that in there. Eucalyptus wreath. And last, guys, but not least, the last one is Scarlet Sunflower, Juicy Apple, and a hint of red cranberry. And are brightened by a scarlet sunflower turning to face the sun. So Juicy Apple, a hint of red cranberry, and it says the Juicy Apple and a hint of red cranberry are brightened by a scarlet sunflower turning your face, or turning to face the sun. So it's so good. Juicy Apple and a hint of red cranberry are brightened by scarlet sunflower turning to face the sun. So it's called Scarlet Sunflower, and that is so good, guys. So these are the 10 brand new releases, guys, for fall winter 2021, guys. So you can go to my website at wicklessallstars.com, wicklessallstars.com, and check it out, guys. Oh, did you know in the month of August that we have, if anybody joins in the month of August, that they have an opportunity to earn a shooting star kit that's $300 in product for free? So check it out by clicking on the join link in this messenger, and you'll be able to see in the description, and you'll be able to see the description of that particular kit that you'll be getting. So check it out. Sign up in the month of August, guys, and love on your scents. Enjoy the fragrances. Be a part of Scentsy. You can do it for a hobby, or you can do it as a career. It's up to you on what you choose to do. The sky's the limit, but I just want to share that with you in case you didn't know that there's a opportunity to earn a free kit. There's an opportunity to also earn a free shooting star kit. So if you have any questions, let me know, comment below, and I'm always happy to help. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. You are amazing, and I truly, sincerely appreciate you all so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later, Scentsy Spirit. Bye.